Hello everyone, welcome back. So in our previous video, I was discussing about the operators inside Python. So in this particular video, I'll do one small exercise with the help of operator concept you have learned. So here we'll try to solve this particular exercise, guys, called find the sum of a 3-digit number entered by the user. So let's say user has passed, let's say 1, 2, and 3. So I just need to do the sum operation of 1, 2, and 3. So let's say user has passed 1, 2, and 3. So if you calculate the sum of this particular number, you will get 6. Okay, so that's how I have to make a program here. So I think you have learned how to take the input from the user. I already taught you this particular concept. For this, we can use input function from Python. So let's say I'll take a variable called number, and here I'll take an input from the user. So here I'll give a message, enter 3 numbers. Okay, 3 numbers to perform sum operation. Okay, to perform sum. Okay, that's how I can write. See, this particular program I'll be writing in a slightly different way so that I can give you the example of this particular operator. Okay, how it can be used. See, instead of taking the number individually, I'll take in just one input. Okay, let's say user want to perform some operation of this particular number. Let's say 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 3, 4, and 5. So user will give like that. User will give 345 like that. Okay, now if I perform the sum operation of this particular 3 plus 4 and 5. Okay, so I have to convert like that, 3 plus 4 and 5. User will pass like that, but I have to convert like that. Okay, now if I show you this particular sum, it would be 12. Okay, so that's how actually I have to design this particular program. So how we can take this particular input? See, now if I print this particular number here, now let's say user is giving like that 3, 4, and 5, and I will get 3, 4, and 5, okay, as an output. But you can see if I show you this particular type, so this is nothing but it's a string type. 3, 4, and 5, it's a string type. It's a string type. So what I have to do, I have to convert this particular number to an integer. Okay, how to convert? I can perform typecasting. I already taught you this particular typecasting as well, right? So that's how I can convert to integer typecasting. Now if I again pass the number, let's say 3, 4, and 5, I'll see that this particular number has converted to the integer form right now. Now what I have to do to separate this particular number individually, you can see user has passed 3, 4, and 5. That means 345, but I have to separate 3, 4, and 5 separately. That means I have to keep this particular 3 in a variable, 4 inside B variable, and 5 inside C variable. So how we can separate out this particular number? So let's do one mathematical experiment. If you are familiar with mathematics, I think you know how we can do it. So see, if you just calculate the modulus, okay, if you just calculate the modulus of this particular number with the help of 10, okay, if you just calculate the modulus of this particular number with the help of 10, okay, see, what is the remainder actually you will get? You will get 5. So how modular works, I already told you. It will give you the remainder. Okay, it will give you the remainder after performing the division operation. Now I think you got to know. Okay, so if I'm using modular, I can easily can get the last number of this particular number. You can see last digit I can get of this particular number. It can be any number. Let's say if I'm considering 333. Okay, so if I just calculate the modulus with the help of 10, you'll see that it will give me 3. See here, easily I'm getting the last number. Let's say it can be also 5. I'll get the 5. That means I got one pattern. If I'm doing the modular operation with the help of 10, I can get the last number. So what I will do, from the last itself, I will collect the number one by one. Okay, this is the idea. So here simply what I will do, the number actually I'm getting, I'll just perform the modulus operation with the help of 10. Okay, with the help of 10. And the number actually I will get here, the last number, which is nothing but the 5. So this particular 5 I will store in a variable. So this is going to be my A. Okay, this is going to be my A. Because see, if you do the addition operation from the first or from the last, it will be the same output. Let's say if I do the addition operation like that, let's say this is my number 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 3 plus 4 plus 5, I'll get 12. If I do like that, let's say 5 plus 4 plus 3, see, I'll get the same output. So order doesn't matter. You can take this particular number in any variable. It doesn't matter here. Okay, that's the thing. Actually, I just wanted to tell you here. So here what I have done, let me just comment out. I think it would be easy for you to do the revision. So here the number actually I'm getting from the user, let's say user is passing 3, 4, 5. So I'm just doing the modulus operation with the help of 10, and it is giving me, okay, it is giving me this particular 5 as an output. Okay, now let me show you. So if I print this particular A, if I print this particular A, if I execute the program, let's see if the result will give 3, 4, and 5. I'll get 5 here. Okay, 5 here. That means this particular 5 I have extracted successfully. Now the next thing, what I have to extract. So you can see I have extracted 5 successfully. It's working fine. Now I have to extract this particular 4. Okay, I have to extract this particular 4. But how I can extract this particular 4? Now if I again think in the terms of mathematics, so what will happen? Let's say there is a number, let's say 3, 4, and 5. Now if I perform integer division, okay, with the help of 10, see what will happen. See here I'm getting this particular 2 number, that means 34. Because how integer like division works, I already told you. It will only give you the integer number. Okay, let's say if I do the division with the help of 10, it will give me 34.5. But if I perform the integer division, it will only give me the 34. That means the integer number. Okay, that is the idea. That's how it's working. Now easily I can get this particular 34. But if I want to get, okay, if I want to get this particular 4 from this particular 34, so what I have to do? I'll copy this particular 34, and here again I can do the modulus operation with the help of 10. Now see, here I'm getting the 4. That means what I have to do? First of all, I have to perform integer division, then I will get 34. Then again I'll take the modulus with the help of 10, then I'll get this particular 4 here. That means what will happen? This particular number, the entire number I'm getting, first of all I'll take the integer division with the help of 10. Okay, I'll get the integer division with the help of 10, and I will store in a variable called number. This particular number, I'll take a modulus, okay, with the help of 10, and I will store in a variable called b, because I have successfully extracted 4 from this particular number. Now let me show you this particular b. So now if I just write 3, 4, and 5, see, successfully I'm able to get the 4, okay, inside b. You can see 4 has been extracted. So this is the logic. So what I'm doing here, so 3, 4, 5. First of all, I'm taking the integer division with the help of 10, and it will give me something called 34. Then this particular 34, I'm again doing the modulus operation with the help of 10. So this will give me 4. Okay, and this particular 4 actually I'm getting inside that. Now here to get this particular 3, what I can do, you can see inside this particular number variable, I'm getting 34. I'm getting 34. I think you saw I'm getting 34. Now if I again just do the integer division of 34 with the help of 10, what I will get 3. Okay, I'll get 3 here. And if I just do the modulus of 3, okay, with the help of 10, I'll get 3. Okay, so again I will do the same things. The things actually I have performed here. First of all, I have to do the modulus. So first of all, I have to do the integer division, then I have to do the modulus operation. So I can do the same thing. So here I can do the same thing. I'll first of all take this particular number, I will perform integer division with the help of 10. So it will give me the number again. Then the number actually I got, I'll perform the modulus with the help of 10. And this will give me the C. That means the last value. Okay, last value. That means here you are doing 3 modulus 10, and the output you are getting 3. Now if I print all of the number one by one, that means A, B, and C, you'll see that 3, 4, and 5, I'm getting 5, 4, and 3. Okay, one by one, 5, 4, and 3. Now I can easily do the sum operation. So to perform the sum operation, I'll take a variable called result. Okay, result equal to A plus B plus C, and simply I'll just print this particular result. Okay, now if I execute this particular program 3, 4, and 5, you'll see that my result would be 12. Now let's give some other number. Let's say I'll give 6, 7, and 8. I'll get 21. That means this particular program is working fine. And here you got to know how we can use this particular operator, different operator to actually perform this particular program, right? So that's how actually you can do lots of hands-on. You can here I have done for the summation operation, that means the addition operation. You can also do for the subtraction, multiplication, okay, division, everything you can perform here. So I'll give you one task. What you can do, you can perform for the subtraction, then like division, as well as the this one, multiplication. So these are the actually 3 tasks actually you can perform by your end. Now let me delete these are the things, it's not required. So yes, I hope guys this particular exercise is clear, and please try to execute this particular program. Just try to write this particular program by referring this particular video, then this particular concept will be more clear. So with that guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.